You know when you buy another guitar and you tell yourself, hey, that's it. This is the last one. I'm not buying anymore. Yeah, I've told that lie to myself too. Alright, so I just picked up this beast, and to me, the neck is just absolutely perfect. This may very well be the last guitar I actually buy.
You sure about that? You sure about that?
But as nice as this Charvel is, they kinda dropped the ball on the trim cavity cover. Typically, you'd at least have holes to access the screws on the trim claw so that you don't have to take the cover off, but this one doesn't even have those. So, I jumped into Fusion 360 and tried to come up with something nifty to print. And after several iterations, I finally settled on this design. It's simple, but it beats having no holes at all. And of course, much like the Schecter from one of my recent videos where I designed a backplate for it, this one will be magnetic too. So here it is printed out with the magnets already on it. And it's kind of got the texture of the bed that comes on the SV06, which isn't terrible, but I'm not a huge fan of it. But like I said, with the holes in it, it's much better than the original cover. But before I put it on, let me show you where I unintentionally demonstrate why not having any type of holes is a major pain. Alright, and it fits the guitar perfectly. Now I can just easily remove it when I need to get to the trim screws. And it looks nice enough, but after looking at it for a little while, I thought, I could probably make this look even better. So, I jumped on Amazon and found one of these textured beds. But if anyone at Ideaformer sees this and wants to send me some free stuff, by the way, I am using Overture PETG for this. I'm sure PLA would have been fine, but I ran out of black PLA and have yet to restock. So, PETG it is. Alright, I'll check back on this when it's done. And here it is printed, and let me pop it off the bed and check it out. The carbon fiber look really comes through nicely, albeit a little harder to see on the camera. In person it stands out a lot more, you'll just have to trust me. And full disclosure, this did take me a couple tries to get a good print because I forgot to adjust the Z offset for the new bed. Just be wary of that. You might have to adjust it if you plan to try one of these. And even though I don't have any black PLA, I tried printing this out of some gray PLA on the other side of the plate just to see how that pattern would look. And it doesn't look bad either. Okay, I've got the magnets in, and now let's see how it looks on the guitar. Perfect fit again, and so much better looking. Alright, that's all I've got for you today. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed. I appreciate you tuning in. Catch you in the next one. And as always, have the best day ever.